Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am back with another doll. So I said I wasn't gonna get any more of the Hauntlywood dolls because I didn't care for them, but Catty was on a decent deal and I got her. Also my friend's here. Playing with my dolls yet again. So I mostly just wanted another Catty, and it's nice to have the clothes. And it was a decent, like 18 bucks compared to like the 30, I think it's 30 something that they usually are. I was like, yeah, okay. So as per usual, the secrets don't exist. They're just on the pamphlet. Alright. And here is the key. Her key is silver, surprisingly. I forget what Claudine's was. I think it was gold. Alright. Let's get her unlocked. Yeah, you want the key? Alright. I just ripped that one. Alrighty. So, bag number 1. The bag's pretty cool. It has like the shattered mirror effect that Catty's pretty like known for. Let's see. So we got we got little like award. What are they called? What are these called? Trophy? Trophy. We got a trophy. We got these earrings? No. Bracelets. 2 bracelets, it looks like. 2 little bangles. And then we got her hands. We got the like K-pop heart. Arigato. And then we got just a normal hand, which I'm surprised they did. I guess there are. Her nails aren't super long. And then we got the middle piece of the elevator. In the next bag we get more of the elevator. Looks like just the hangers, which are blue this time. And then the little like shelf piece. And then we got the bottom part of the elevator. Don't crap at myself. Alright. Here we are. Here's the rest of the stuff. So we got her bag, which is odd. Her odd bag. It's just a mirror, but like turned into a purse. It doesn't open or anything, but. And then we got her glasses, which these are diabolical. Diabolical glasses. And then we got her necklace. And then we got the rest of her little elevator piece, which this is cute. I like the little cat ears on it. And then everything just snaps into place. And then it goes in the bottom there. And then the last bag, I believe are her clothes, her like extra outfit. Yeah. Well, it's like an outfit and a half, really. So we got the jacket with the fur on it. The sleeves are like see-through. And it's like a fake pleathery material almost. And then we got the pleather skirt with the fluff. And then we got the top skirt for that. Because I think you're supposed to layer them like so. And then we'll go ahead and get her open. setup's a little different. Hers is like thicker but shorter for her elevator. Not that it matters, I don't use it, but if you do. Here, will you put this with the rubber bands? Thank you. It just fell out. Oh, it's her tail. Alright. Ew, she has super tinsel. She has so much tinsel. Ew. Ew, why is her tail flat? Her tail's flat. Is hers like that?
Hers is plastic.
Well, no, but like, look how thin.
Oh.
I think hers is thicker. Why is it so flat? Anyways, I can't grab my Catty. She's like rubber banded. It's a twirl. Alright, so here we are, Miss Catty. Oh, piece of plastic. Okay, so her base doll just comes with like this simple dress with the belt and the corset. Yeah, I would say corset. And then she has these boots, which these boots are super cool. They come with like the chain on top, and then like they have the what would you call this? Like the lights, maybe, with the like concert. I don't know what these are called, like the concert rods or whatever. And then she has super pretty like hands, which these do have nails to some degree. Like they're still kind of short, but has nails, and then like some rings and stuff on it. Her hair is super flat, like just thin straight poly with tinsel in it, which is yeah, okay. I don't know why she looks mad though. Like she has that dead on stare and it makes her look mad. Oh, I forgot her other shoes. Doy. Let's see. So her shoes are pretty plain. They're just silver with blue, and the heel says Catty. That's about it. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna like dress her up. I do really like the base dress, honestly, on this, and I love her belt. Like her belt is so pretty. But we'll see what I do to her. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.